Mr. Ramakrishna Achar firmly believes that humanity has no authority to further degrade the environment. He embodies this belief through his actions. The nature's divine center exemplifies a place where nature thrives in its health and pristine beauty. The farm, spread over 27 acres, has diverse array of fruit-bearing plants, trees, and medicinal herbs. Achar does not use synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, and advanced technology to increase crop yields or dairy products. At this farm, soil erosion is minimal. Groundwater remains uncontaminated, and animal waste, such as cow dung and chicken manure, is repurposed. Bees, birds, and butterflies are also benefited from the sustainable farming practices. It is but natural that all living organisms experience reduced health risks, with soil, water, and air facing lesser pollution threats. The ecosystem fosters ecological diversity. Mr. Achar is very particular about maintaining organic standards. Both human health and the health of our planet are interconnected. We need to be resilient farmers who can produce nutritionally rich food while firmly rejecting genetically modified ingredients, he says. A walk around the center reveals how the organic system addresses many challenges we encounter in daily life and agriculture sector. The Divine Center is living up to its name, thanks to Achar.
Gaudhama, Muniyal, Udupi district. For more information, www.gaudhama.com or call 93537 56706.